Hey guys, Ralph here. Welcome to True Power Trumpet Fitness on this terrific Thursday here in Connecticut. I hope wherever you are viewing this, you will have better weather than we do. Rainy, raw, overcast, nasty, and it is going to be this way for the next 3 weeks. Oh well, April showers bring May flowers. Anyway, you saw the thumbnail, another tool in the toolbox. Today and tomorrow, you have heard a lot, and you are going to hear it a lot more. It is very, very important. I think it can help you guys immeasurably, and that's that. So anyway, let's see what I got, and we'll get to it. Another tool in the toolbox. Anyway, nice warm-up, some hellacious double C, and bourbon. Caress the baby. Life's good. Anyway, you know what I'm going to say. SFE, baby. Guys, this belongs in your toolbox. It's very, very easy to adapt to your practice session. I do it every single day. Every single time I pick, and throughout the day, I'm doing SFE all day long. Not only does that help your trumpet playing, it helps your health. It gives you huge amounts of energy. I haven't touched an artificial stimulant in 45 years. Coffee, tea, 5-hour energy, Red Bulls, forget modafinil and all that other stuff that all these health gurus are doing. But these are the greatest energy exercises you can possibly do. And they do help your trumpet. They absolutely help your trumpet. Now, I have sold these. This is on my website. It's $10. Okay? Guys, I don't care if you do it or not. I really don't. $10 is not going to make or break me. I've sold several hundred of these. And every single one of them that takes the time to incorporate this into their practice gets a spike. Now here, not only that, I told you many times that this whole True Power is not going to work unless you have a Calit mouthpiece. These SFEs help anybody. I don't care if you're doing Roy Stevens. I don't care if you're doing Caruso. I don't care if you're doing Claude Gordon. Anything. Any system whatsoever, this will help. Why? Hyperirradiation. You know, guys know I have a background in physiology. I am not going to bore you with all that again. But guys, what I want you to do, especially you youngsters, and I have a lot of comeback players, senior citizens that may not be able to do this. But what I want you to do, you youngsters, try doing one pull-up with just your arms. Everything else in your body, your abs, your glutes, everything else is a wet noodle. You're just doing it with your arms. I don't care how strong your arms are, you're not doing it. I don't care how little you weigh, if you're doing it with just your arms, you're not going to do the pull-up. And I'm not talking about this CrossFit nonsense they do. They do, 100 at a time, and it's just all centrifugal force. Anyway, absolutely different. I'm getting off the subject, okay? Do one. Can't. Why? Because you're not incorporating the other muscles of your body. It is a physiological term named hyperirradiation. Okay, you can look it up, you can read on it, but you don't have to know about it. What it does, it's incorporating more muscles, as many muscles as you can possibly use to incorporate into doing whatever task you're trying to do. Whether you're trying to throw a baseball, whether you're trying to do play the trumpet, whether you're trying, whatever. Now, another analogy, okay? As you know, I work a lot with pitchers, okay? Now, what I want you to try to do is just take a baseball, a rock, a golf ball, doesn't matter. Stand completely still, no wind up, nothing, and just throw with just your arm as hard as you can. Guys, what do you think a pitching windup is? It's incorporating more muscles. That's what it's doing. This is what you're doing with trumpet, with hyperradiation, okay? There is 39 exercises, okay? If you are just doing them for exercises, which I do all the time, it will take you 15 minutes after you learn them. Now, you don't even have to do all of them, okay? Just pick a handful of the ones that you like, 3, 4, 5 of them, and every 5, 8, 10 minutes of your practice session, just stand up and do a couple of them. That's all you have to do. It energizes every muscle in your body to work along with your chops and your tongue and everything. Okay? Now, here's the deal. Hyperradiation, and this incorporates a property called proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation. Okay? Now, that, again, it's all in a book if you want to know. And in a little 10-minute video, I'm not going to be able to get it all in. But trust me, in the layman's terms, it is the proper use of tension to create strength, flexibility, and endurance. Okay? Now, we do not play tense. You know that. I'm relaxed as can possibly be when I'm doing that. But all the muscles are energized along with the tongue, which gives you drawing in on your abs, your glutes, your delts, everything. Every muscle in the body is energized and incorporates via hyperradiation to play those double C's. Okay? Now, okay, Ralph, but our great trumpet players are not physical marvels. That's not what I'm saying. That's not what I'm saying. Maynard Ferguson was a bodybuilder in his younger days. Harry James was a contortionist. So they have an innate inner strength that helps with their phenomenal results. And when that inner strength, their health dissipated towards the end, they lost it. They lost a lot of their performance. Guys, it helps. It helps. And I'm not saying we have to be bodybuilders, we have to take our shirts off and all that sort of stuff. That's not what I'm saying. But what I'm saying is a tool in the toolbox. It will absolutely 100% help with everything that you do. Not only trumpet, everything. Walking up a flight of stairs, running a race, throwing a baseball. Guys, I have all my athletes, all of them, doing exactly what I'm asking my trumpet players to do. These SFE exercises is in my Speed Kills 100 plus mile per hour ebook for pitchers. That's what they're doing. Jerry had stumbled across this concept of compression and whatnot. That is the way an athlete or anybody is supposed to go through life. Okay? It's the way to live. You add that with a diet of fruits and vegetables and their juices. Baby, you've got true power. Anyway, eat and drink fruits and vegetables and live your life true power, and you know what tomorrow's going to be. And guys, listen, education is nothing more than brainwashing. Whether you're going to the yeshiva and you're studying the Torah, whether you go to a Catholic school and you're studying the Bible, it doesn't matter. It is repetition, and it is over and over and over. Reps. If you want to shoot free throws, reps, reps, reps. Correct reps. That's what we're doing. Guys, you're going to hear this again. I don't care. It's just that important. I don't care. Hey, my channel, my content. Anyway, have a great day, and we'll talk again tomorrow about spit buzzing. Love you all.